Hi, I'm Sam, and welcome to How to Lose Weight channel. Here I will share my secret journey how I lose weight fast. Make sure you watch this video until it ends. Whether you're just starting out or looking for some extra motivation, this video is for you. Losing weight is all about creating a calorie deficit. This means burning more calories than you consume. But it's not just about cutting calories, it's about making healthier choices and staying active. Setting realistic goals is key to staying motivated and seeing progress. A balanced diet is crucial for weight loss. Focus on eating plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Meal prepping can help you stay on track, and portion control is essential. Don't forget to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Exercise is an important part of any weight loss journey. Cardio workouts like running, cycling, or swimming can help burn calories, while strength training builds muscle and boosts metabolism. Find activities you enjoy, and make exercise a regular part of your routine. Maintaining a positive mindset and staying disciplined can make all the difference. Track your progress, celebrate your achievements, and don't be too hard on yourself. Remember, every small step forward is a step towards your goal. Hear my secret: I lose weight fast without diet and exercise. Just consume this. If you want to know, click link below or at comment. Thank you for watching. I hope these tips help you on your weight loss journey. If you have any questions or want to share your progress, leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more health and fitness tips. You've got this.